Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade Artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Well, before we start, let me just say to my old subscribers, thank you so much for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. We appreciate you as well. Well, guess what? It's Chill Out Friday. So let's take our deep breaths, get our favorite beverage, and just chill out with me, okay? Let's go. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. All right, that feels so good. Listen, last day of making embeds. Let's do what we need to do so we can get into making the soaps that we are going to use these embeds in, okay? Still working with melt and pour, basic white soap base, okay? Let's go. Okay, I'm back and we're going on to the next color. Let's be surprised and see what the next color is. Remember, you heat it up, it's purple. That's 2, 3, 4, 5. Because we want it light, I don't want it too dark. Remember, you put it on 30 seconds burst. That's all, and watch it, okay? You don't want this to overheat. Should we make it a little darker? Just a little bit? So that was 5, 6, 7. That should do it. Oh, beautiful. There you go. And then we're just pouring it in, filling up our jewels. I sprinkled a little glitter. Give them some sparkle. So that made 2. And then I'll just put the rest in here. Okay, and we have, let's do another color. Let's open this one. This says blue, stained glass blue. Okay, liquid colorant, stained glass blue. 1, 2, 3. Let's start with 3. Let's see what 3 gives us. We don't want to use too much. Yup, I think 3 is fine. Glad we stopped at 3. Look at that. Perfect. Glad we stopped at 3. Just filling it. Let's see if we can get, if you have air bubbles, we made it to 2. Okay. Make sure you have your rubbing alcohol and you just spray it. And it just pops the air bubbles right out. Wow, I tell you, we did a wonderful job today. Yup, beautiful. So you see our gems and we have a little glitter on them, okay? All right, so this is it. One more in unmolding and then we getting right into making our By the Bay soap. That will be the first one. Using our Ship's Soaps Embeds, okay? Have a wonderful weekend. Be safe. Love you, love you, love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. From Glennceria Loving Hands. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye for now.